Welcome to Bluebonnet Hills High School Library webpage. My name's Deanna Richardson, and I will be showing you around our site. At the top of our page, we have our navigation links, which will take you to the different pages within the site. We have our home page, student resources, programs, and library staff. Below it is our address for location and our library hours. Below this is our welcome MP3 that welcomes any users to the site. We have our important dates located down here, and we have a link to our programs page. We also have a link that will allow users to sign up for a text message service in order to remind them of important dates or upcoming programs. On our student resources page, we will have databases, research format, and citation help for students looking for research or homework help. In our programs, we have a list of our programs that will also have important information concerning each program. And our library staff will be available on this location. Thank you for listening, and as always, please don't hesitate to contact any library staff with any questions.